Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Kikoff credit. So in order to know about how Kikoff credit building works, you just have to simply sign up for the Kikoff credit account, so you will be instantly approved, so you can get started that same day. We won't do a credit check, we definitely don't do a hard pull on your account which could negatively impact your score. So once you have successfully signed up on Kikoff credit, you just have to buy something on credit. So you will have a $750 line of credit to use for kickoff purchases. So this doesn't expire, so you can continue building your credit on your schedule. Choose from the variety of the items from their store, starting at just $10. So you will make your purchase with the kickoff credit account. Then you need to build your payment history every month. So every on time payment you make will help you build your credit. So all it takes is one click and we will send you the reminders to make sure. The first payment will be due around 3 weeks after you make your purchase. Then they will be on the same day of the month and every month. So you can keep the track of the remaining balance and credit score at any time and your on your Kikoff account. So with the help of Kikoff account or with the help of Kikoff credit account, you will be able to easily build your credit score. So you must need and you must check out their service. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.